Hi, this is Michael from Pay Creations, and today I want to show you how to edit text in the Thrive Architect editor. Let's say that you need just the simple text change and you want to be able to do that on your own. You can go into the page that you're looking for. For this one, I'll go to the home page. You click that Edit Thrive Architect, and then the text editing tool is really, really simple. It will load up here, and then um, we'll be able to just click into the text and change the text that we want. It should um, keep the same formatting as the text around it, but this is really useful for people who don't want to get into the design but just want to change a few words. So here's the Thrive Themes editor. We'll just wait for it to load up. And then in order to change text, you just get into the text box, and then you can type here. So I'm just going to keep this the same. And you can do that for any text that's on the screen, here, 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 etc. So if you have any questions, please go to paycreations.com and get in touch. Thanks so much.